Good morning, Vegas fanatics. It is Monday, Mamacita's birthday. We're heading over to Aria. We're gonna go smack some machines, have a little coffee, and then we're going for breakfast with Dave and Sonia. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to get up to like 20, 21 degrees today, which we're really stoked about. So we might go have some hot tub action. We're going to play darts today. I told Mamacita I made no plans. We're just 100% winging it this trip. Let's have the best day. Happy birthday, Mamacita. I love you.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One time for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around, buy you a birthday whip. 2 times for the birthday chick. I'ma mess around, buy you some birthday gifts. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Lil' Shenanigans, Louis V8 for your birthday.
We are going to Aria, but autopilot sent me to Cosmo.
And me, I'm just following her.
I was just normal day, going to Cosmo. You know us. Okay, on to Aria. That way.
We have to go back this way.
We have to go outside.
First of all, when I go to my feet hurt.
Hey, there's a financial convention here at Aria, and it is insane. So we are going to find food elsewhere because we need food. Food, carbs, and coffee. Carbs and coffee is my theme today. All right, you guys know how we do. Let me get that. Buddha luck, birthday luck. Good luck, Mamacita. All right, pennies on the lucky Buddhas. You can just sit down at a Dragon Link. I just want to say all my love to Dave and Sonia. It was so good spending time with you guys and having breakfast. I loved it so much. Thank you for your time and your friendship. Let's win some money. How was your Cosmo experience at gambling?
What a way to start a question.
Right?
The food was good. It always is at the Henry, though.
Oh yeah, breakfast was amazing.
Yes.
And
was amazing.
the company, the food, short rib, eggs Benny, like, oh, so good.
Giving my money to Cosmo after just getting it from Fountain Blue, I didn't really want to do that.
Yeah. When I was asking you about your Cosmo experience, I meant the gambling. I'm down $200 there, easy, if not more. I wasn't keeping track this morning.
I'm down 150
Yeah, so
at Cosmo. But I got some of it back because I low-e betting. If you go any higher than pennies at Cosmo, I find you don't even get a bonus half the time.
So Mamacita's got a Tito from Aria from this morning, so we're gonna go back over there and play a little bit and then go get ready for birthday darts.
Darts.
What'd you say?
I said, let's get the hell out of here.
Oh shit. We need to switch it up. We're gonna go get ready and head to Venetian.
Absolutely.
This I'm not feeling.
All the machines keep saying happy birthday as they take my money.
Yeah, we're not feeling this MGM thing right now. Let's go.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and
We're killers. You did it, not me. Okay? You can do it.
Thank you.
Can I move up a bit, you think?
They gave us free birthday drinks here. Wow. Come on, come on. I must show Mamacita's bullseye. She got 2 of them. Ending the games. Good game, good game. That was fun. And a triple. Yeah, birthday girl. Birdie. It is so busy here at Cosmo. Secret Pizza had no line. We were in and out really fast. This financial convention is just pouring over here. Like every restaurant is packed. It's crazy. And I just want to say this is the earliest I've ever had Secret Pizza in my life. Cheers. They brought Mamacita a birthday present. Hey. And a Fiji water. These are probably chocolates. Open them up. Let's see what you got. Wait for it. Wait for it.
It's Mamacita's fingers.
Chocolates. 3 boxes. That's so nice.
And PG, what the?
I was mistaken. Nobody sent this up. Housekeeping left this. And then they didn't even take the tip that I left them from cleaning the room. That's so nice of them. We'll just leave double the tip tomorrow. That's nice.
Oh, Mamacita, what the hell?
Mamacita, what'd you do?
Lost my phone again.
God damn it.
Damn it.
That's the 3rd time at Cosmo, but every time we find it, and Rachel found it, so
Thank God. Thank you, Rachel.
thank the universe. Okay.
It just meant I wasn't meant to go to bed yet.
There you go. Off we go. It's your birthday. I just ran into Eric the Red on the Strip, and it's crazy of all places because I was looking for him downtown. He's always downtown, and even he said it. He's like, it's crazy that I'm on the Strip. Anyways, if you don't follow Eric the Red, follow him on Instagram. His photography is amazing. There's a lot of street photography, a lot of stuff. He travels on film. He gets it. It's awesome. So go check him out. Shout out to Eric the Red and Straight Out of Vegas Joe. We got to get a part 2 on that documentary for Eric. I'll link that down below too because he's awesome. Anyways, we're just hoping to catch a fountain show pretty quick here.
In the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy.
You know what? It's early, but I'm feeling some cheesecake and a bath. My body's telling me it's time to chill. Chill out. Little drunk, I wanted to give you guys a tour of the room. 48009 here at the Vdara. It's a 2-bedroom hospitality suite. You have a guest bath when you first walk in. An entryway with a full-length mirror. Got some birthday presents for the girls this weekend. So you have a big kitchen area. The washer and dryer. all the things. Big fridge with all our shit. Came with a Keurig and a coffee kit. They left us another coffee kit. Mamacita went and bought me coffee pods. We got the creamer, all the things. Love it. I'll have to show you the shirt that I had made for Mamacita for her birthday. I love big balls. Yes, she does. Nice big space here in the middle of the room. So I said it was a 2-bedroom. We each took a bedroom, and we're not used to having this much space. It's too big for us. But the bed is super comfy. The pillows rock. Full bath. I'm about to run a tub, but I wanted to show you our room because this is just awesome. It would be better if we had more people to share it with, though. House coats, slippers, all the things. And then, this is more like the master suite. Mamacita's 65th birthday. Ooh, ooh. So she's got a bedroom in here. They both have TVs. Big comfy beds. Over here, another full bath. And then if you come around the corner, there's this big cupboard here. That's kind of weird. It's like feet and then another closet. So we got this on a comp. I had never heard of it before. I had never saw it come up, but when I did, I just clicked it and immediately thought, well, it's gonna be awesome. But a little too big for us. We're used to cozying up in the same room and having each other right there. But yeah, all in all, fantastic. Now I'm about to run a tub. It's go time, bubble time. I press this again and look what just dropped. Gonna dance till the lights expire. Sin City runs in our veins. Living high, no need for rain. The bars poolside, sipping martinis. Bright lights painting our routines. I'm full of all the sweet things you did for me. And even though I act crazy, I gotta thank the Lord that you made me. There are no words that can express how I feel. You never kept a secret.